Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Sarabi and I'm back with another video. So basically today what I'm going to be doing, it's Sunday and I'm going to show you guys what I do on Sunday. I just clean my apartment up and I go through the fridge. I pick up all the little stuff that's like all over the place or whatever, and I am really excited. If you guys like this video or like videos like this, make sure that you give it a big thumbs up. But I'm really excited because I want to do an apartment tour for you guys because I just like redecorated everything. Because like basically what happened was, life is funny, but basically what happened, I'm sorry I keep moving, like I have to use my phone because this is like the better lighting. I would be on my camera, but my camera is dead and it's not charging. I have to take it to Best Buy, but since Corona and like all that stuff that's going on and everything, I haven't been able to go. But anyways, pretty much I'm gonna do a story time and explain to you guys what happened in my apartment and why I had to like redecorate everything. But it's cool because like I have renter's insurance. If you don't know what that is, I'll like explain it in the story time and everything. But I feel like this is getting really long. I'm rambling, so let's just get into the video. But look, guys, so the best part about Sunday is the leftovers. So I bowl sweet potato. I'm so excited to eat this. This is our leftovers. I'm excited. So this is what I'm gonna heat up and eat in a little bit, but I'm putting in the microwave for right now because I have all these dishes. There's like so much steam. This plate is really hot. I don't know why I would do that. That was not very smart. But yeah, guys, this is what we're working with. Gotta get in the greens first. Ooh. Nope, it's for me. I'm just kidding. Y'all can have some of your pasta. So after I clean my kitchen, I come into my room and then I start with cleaning my room. So if you guys aren't already following at Kayla Boo's Corner, make sure that you guys go follow that on Instagram right now, because you will see what I also do. So I have Kayla's Cooking, which is my chef videos, and then that is also a YouTube channel as well where I cook and bake. So I'm gonna try to have something up by either this week, I don't know what day, I gotta find set days to do this. And then basically my other business is Earth's Kiss, and I'm gonna link everything in the description below, but it's Earth's Kiss, ERF and then _ kiss, and that is all natural remedies, holistic care, herbs, stuff like that to help your skin, face, body, all that stuff. So after all of that, also my page, Kayla Boo's Corner, that's like my modeling page. So I've been working with Once Models, so they're modeling agency. So they're like really put together. I like that, and I like that they're like professional, how they have everything set up and everything. So that's one of the agencies. There is another agency, I don't want to like jinx it or anything, but I want to work with them because I like the models that they have. They're really pretty, and not only that, but the way that everyone seems very like family oriented, which is nice. Not saying that the other one isn't, they both are really nice, but yeah, I know how y'all are like to twist people up and stuff on this internet, but I'm not saying nothing bad. Like, I like both places. But yeah, and I'm rambling, but just make sure that you go follow my Instagram at Kayla Boo's Corner, Earth's Kiss, Kayla's Cooking, if you're interested into any of those things. Also, my makeup artist will be linked. It is Glam Luxe Faces. She does really, really well. Her Instagram is Glam Luxe Faces as well. These are her eyelashes from her when she did my makeup last. I just reapplied them, and they're really easy to apply. They look really nice. I like it. It like brings the look together, simple looking. Made it this far into the video, you can see my closet. I cleaned off the floor. There's nothing on the floor. It's just that I have to put away. I just gotta sweep. And then my backdrop, you guys will see in my next video that I have coming out. And then my makeup I set up, and I have like everything set up over here and stuff. That side, y'all don't need to see my room on that side. Then we just have the bed and everything. And then the floor over here is good. That's because I was doing my hair yesterday. And then a mirror, because everybody need a mirror in their room. Because, ooh, this is my favorite part of my room. But, you know, model stuff. That's my makeup bag, makeup. I like this. Look how calming this is. Listen to this, guys. Wait a minute. Wait for it. Hate this sound. If you don't like sound, then you're not gonna like this. And then I have my little Buddha, so you know, just watching, all good vibes and stuff. That's my room, guys.